Hey guys, so I just installed this key ring holder and I gotta give you the tip. The tip is that you need to use this piece. So I used a pencil, I marked up my holes. You have a hole on the left, you have a hole on the right. And if you do not mark those holes just right, you're gonna have trouble getting the screws in the back of your key ring holder. So make sure you have that lined up and you mark those holes. And I chose this one because it was 10 inches. It didn't stick out very far. And I wanted to make sure that we were able to store our keys, our wallets, whatever we needed to right at the front door without getting hooked or snagged as we turn the corner. So this is our setup. Easy to install, but again, the key is use this thing. This is time saver and it really helps.